video she recorded.
And I was like, oh, where's
The video she recorded. Dogs think they're human, but Dexter takes it to a whole nother level. To the point where I can now safely say, I have seen